Plug-and-play PV kit. Easy to install, flexible, and quick to pay off. It's driving a new green energy wave. Today, in just 3 simple steps, we'll show you how to install your solar station. Before installation, please check the packing list. Mark the positions of the mounting holes for the brackets. Fix the bracket horizontally. The hole spacing should be 950 millimeters. Take out the vertical bracket B1. Align the mounting holes with the marked positions. Ensure the bracket is vertical at the lower anchor point. Mark the positions with a marker. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Mark the installation points on the other side. Use a tape measure to check the diagonal of the vertical bracket installation points. The error should be less than or equal to 5 millimeters. Drill holes in the wall using a hammer drill. Choose a suitable tool to insert the metal expansion sleeve of the expansion bolt. Pass the expansion bolt through the vertical bracket B1 mounting holes. Screw the bolts into the wall expansion sleeve. Tighten the bolts securely. Fix the horizontal bracket B2 onto the installed vertical bracket B1. Tighten the bolts securely. Pre-install the diagonal bracket B3 onto the module's rear frame holes. Tighten the bolts securely. Connect the module with the installed diagonal bracket to the top bolt of the wall-mounted vertical bracket B1. Adjust the bracket to the optimal tilt angle for maximum power generation. Secure the horizontal bracket B2 and diagonal bracket B3 together with bolts. Module and bracket installation complete. Confirm the installation position according to the layout plan. Use a marker to mark the hole positions. Drill holes using a hammer drill and install expansion screws. Fix the micro-inverter with bolts. Tighten the bolts securely. Connect the DC male and female connectors from the module to the micro-inverter. Repeat the same for the second module, connecting it to a separate MPPT input on the inverter. Make sure that the connectors of one module stay on the same MPPT input. Connect AC cable C3 to the microinverter. Finally, plug it into the wall socket. Installation is complete. This is our commonly used wall-mounted installation method, Suncake PV kit. Enjoy green electricity with ease and a sweeter future.